This is the continuous beam calculator for two equal spans, which analyzes the structural behavior of a beam supported at 3 points with two identical span lengths. Let's walk through the inputs. First, select your unit system from the drop-down menu. You can choose between imperial units using feet, pounds, and psi, or metric units using meters, newtons, and pascals. For this demonstration, I'm using imperial units. Now enter your four main inputs. Span length L in feet represents the distance between supports for each of the two equal spans. Uniform load W in pounds per foot is the distributed load acting along the entire beam length. Modulus of elasticity, E in psi defines your material's stiffness property, and moment of inertia. I in inches to the fourth power describes your beam's cross-sectional resistance to bending. After clicking Calculate, the Results section displays the critical values engineers need for design. You'll see the maximum positive and negative moments, the reactions at each of the three supports, the maximum deflections in each span, and the locations where these maximum values occur. These outputs help verify that your beam meets strength and serviceability requirements for your specific loading conditions. Find the link in the description below.